everyone, Carol here with another Everspruce tips and tricks video. Welcome to my channel. On my channel, I like to give tips and tricks on how to use my Everspruce home decluttering app, and also I give tips and tricks on how I keep my life more organized. I would appreciate it if you go ahead and click the like button if you enjoy these types of videos, and subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and click on the bell notification so you are notified every time I release a new video. Okay, so let's go ahead and now talk about the new feature that I've added in the Everspruce home decluttering app. So I've created a little inventory count system. So all you have to do is log into the app. And if you can see now, you go to areas and you can see that I have all my different areas. I have 8 different areas that I have put into the Everspruce app. And if I go to garage, you can see that I have 5 boxes and 57 items in the garage. So if I click on garage, I can see the 5 different boxes that I have created in the Everspruce app that are located in my garage. And then in my garage, I can see now I have 57 items that I have inventoried in the Everspruce app. And then within each box, I can see now how many items are in that box. So if I go to camping box 1, it says 9 items are in that box. And then these are the 9 items that are in there. So it's just a little inventory count system, a little feature that I thought would be helpful in anybody who's using the app. That is it. That's the latest new feature in the Everspruce app that is now available. I hope you find having an inventory count system available within the app as useful as I do. Thanks for watching my Everspruce tips and tricks video. For more tips and tricks videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow Everspruce on Instagram and download the Everspruce app in the App Store. Links down below.